We have two factoring problems wherein we are asked to remove the common factor in each of these two expressions. We'll start with 3x plus 9 first. If you inspect the terms, you have 3x and then 9. You can clearly see that a factor which is common to both is 3. If we remove 3 from the first term, you'll be left with x. If we do the same thing for the second term, we'll be left with positive 3. So here is our 3x using the distributive action, and this is our positive 9. So this is the result of the factoring when the common factor 3 is removed. Now in the next expression, I'm going to rewrite it here. 6x cubed is 4x squared plus 8x. We inspect the terms. Let's tackle the numerical coefficients first. 6, 4, and 8. A factor common to those three is 2. And then for the literal coefficients, x cubed, x squared, x. A factor common to those three is x. So if we remove the common factor 2x from the first term, we'll be left with 3x squared. From the second, if you factor out 2x, you'll be left with 2x. And then from the third, if 2x is factored, you'll be left with positive 4. So this is the result when you factor out the common factor 2x from 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8x.